Hi all, this is Dr. Amala. Welcome to today's session on Preparing the Kajal Series 2. So I hope all of you have done with the Battis preparation. So we'll see how you can make Kajal. So what you are needing is, you will need the Battis which you have prepared. You can use either castor oil or ghee. I have taken ghee. You would need diyas. You will need the matchbox. You would need a plate to collect the soot, and usually you will need 3 stones to support the plate. I have taken a small stand. If you don't have it, you can take 3 small stones in which you can support this plate. So we'll move on to the preparation. So first we will add the ghee to the diyas. So why are we taking 4 diyas? It is to get more soot. If you want, you can do with 2 or 1, it's your choice. But 4 diyas, when we are lighting it together, the soot we'll get will be, the quantity of soot we'll get will be more. Now we'll light the diyas. And we'll place it so that all the flames come towards a direction. So once this, we'll keep it towards the center, and once this is done, we can cover it with the plate. So it will take around 2 hours for the wick to be completely burned and get the soot. So when it is being done, let me tell you on certain things, on the other ingredients which you can use to prepare kajal apart from the ones we used, that is the neem leaves and the common yuccas or the drona pushpa. You can use bringaraja, amla, tulsi leaves. In the same way, you can take the juice out of it, soak the wick, dry it in the shade, store it for a longer period of time. There is another method of preparing the wicks. You have to take shatapushpa or ajwain, just coarsely powder it. Take 1 or 2 badams, coarsely powder that also. Fill this powder inside a cotton piece and make it into a wick. Roll it into a wick. Burn it in the same way you have done with this wick. Collect the soot. Mix the soot with the required medium. It can be castor oil or ghee, and get a kajal done. So we'll just wait till it is done, and once it is done, I'll show you how you can use it as a kajal. We have got this much soot. You can use maybe a dried leaf or something with a sharp edge to scrape it off to the one side of the plate. So these are very fine powder. How you can store them is, you get these nice bottles. I think one bottle is around 8 rupees. So if you have them, use it. Otherwise, you can use empty kajal bottles which you have. You can store this powder in bottle. Use it as and when you need. Otherwise, you can mix it with a little bit of ghee or a little bit of castor oil take a little bit of ghee, mix it with this. You can mix it and store it also, and you can apply it. So please do try out this kajal, which is very safe and it can be even used for newborn kids. Please do share your experience in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, it's bye from Dr. Amla. Thank you.